Of all the listings we've had this year, this is one of my favorite. It's 32 acres of privacy just outside of the town of Port Perry. It's got the beautiful ranch bungalow, stone fireplace, multiple walkouts. It's got a 2-bedroom in-law apartment with a walkout. It's got lots of covered entertaining areas and decks and covers, and it's got 4 outbuildings. So you got a building workshop. It's got 3 bays. It's 200 amp service. It's got a separate workshop beside that, and it's all a beautiful barn with a loft above it and an equestrian area that's been converted into canine use. I think there's 15 kennels in there.